To find Triple Energizer 3, put your finger at the end of your eyebrow. You will be on a bone there. Then move your finger away from the eyebrow till your finger comes off that bone. There's a hollow area there. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is Triple Energizer 23. It might look like this. Here's the end of the eyebrow. Come off, you're off the bone, and you're here at the red dot. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is Triple Energizer 23. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tai Shin, I suggest you use the round end and you can treat it like this. Now, find and activate Triple Energizer 23 on the side of your other eye.